Trade the Pool Rules. Trade the Pool prop firm is quite different from other prop trading companies that we have reviewed before. It is not surprising that the rules for their programs are different as well. To save you some time, we have reviewed the website and all the fine print, and we will provide you with the details below. Profit target to complete evaluation stage. To get funded, you need to pass one-step evaluation and must have made at least 50 trades within 30 days. The main thing that you should keep in mind is your daily loss limit, because this number is what determines your profit target, 6 times your daily loss, as well as the max drawdown, 3 times your daily loss. Example: if you have signed up for the Super Buying Power account, your daily loss is set to be $700. This means that for you to reach the profit target, you will have to make 6 times the profit of your daily loss. $700 times 6 equals $4,200. Meanwhile, your maximum drawdown is 3 times the daily loss. $700 times 3 equals $2,100. Minimum 50 trades requirement and trading days. All evaluation accounts must have completed at least 50 trades and must have traded for a minimum of 30 days. This is a way for Trade the Pool prop firm to mitigate the risks and protect themselves passing traders that hit a lucky trade and waited out the period of time needed. Daily loss relationship to drawdown. The program you choose will determine the daily loss allowance. It can be as low as $700, $1,300, or $2,000. Maximum drawdown is just 3 times that amount: $2,100, $3,900, and $6,000. This can be adjusted depending on the performance, as mentioned above via pumps. When is it possible to trade? Trades can only be made while the U.S. stock exchange is open. So, for example, you can trade at 9:30 ET but must finish by 15:55 at 5 minutes before closing. Max exposure per trade. The max exposure per trade is 30% of the daily loss. To quickly figure out what is the maximum amount of money that you are allowed to trade with a single click, just take 30% of the daily loss limit that you received with your account. For instance, if your daily loss is $700, your maximum exposure per trade is $700 by 0.3 equals $210. Max exposure in floating. Exposure is the number of shares multiplied by the stock's price. Super buying power. Max exposure in floating equals $80,000 extra buying power. Max exposure in floating equals $160,000 ultimate buying power. Max exposure in floating equals $260,000 holding trades. All trades with this prop firm must be closed by the current day's close at 15:55 ET. This only applies to day traders. Trading instruments. Trades can be made on almost all stocks and ETFs in the U.S. There are more than 12,000 instruments.